Stream anytime. BT's Business Report is sponsored by Dynamic Funds.
You dance, piggy banks, you go. It's Friday. Mike Eppel, good morning. Business News. Good morning, Mike. How
you
are
doing?
you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Don't you feel good? It's Friday of a long weekend. You got to feel great.
Absolutely. More of that money, though, going into your gas tank, unfortunately, Melanie.
That is correct.
We're watching the price for oil this morning continuing its climb. It was very close to $80 a barrel in overnight trade. So that is going to have a ripple effect. We're expecting prices to go back up a couple of cents tonight here in the GTA, back up to the almost record high around $1.44, $1.45 per liter. So here we go. The talk about, the energy market rippling through everything, through the economy, and the idea that inflation was going to be a transitory kind of thing or temporary. Prices for everything will be going up because not just your, fill up for the car or truck. At the same time, transportation costs are going to be on the rise. Anytime you have anything that's made with petroleum products, plastics, for example, those are going to go up in price. So the long-term knockoff effect of this, Melanie, is going to be higher prices, unfortunately, for consumers at pretty much every level of the economy, unfortunately.
Lovely. Okay.
Sorry.
Let's talk about
that. Sorry about that. We had such a good start there.
It really did. It started well, Mike.
Bring us right down.
Okay. How about this? Job numbers expected out today, both here on the other side of the border. Are we seeing any positivity expected?
Yes, we are.
Okay.
And the interesting thing, though, is while the economy here likely showed about 50,000 jobs gained last month after 90,000 in August, help wanted wherever you go. You look around, restaurants are short-staffed. So many industries, manufacturing, short staffing. And then just yesterday, Walmart Canada announced a big hiring spree, 12,000 jobs available at Walmart. These are permanent jobs at the retail level, in the supply chain, at the warehouses, what have you. The retail sector is looking to hire as well. So it's good in as much as it creates jobs. Also puts some upward pressure on pricing because wages are going to have to go up to fill some of these jobs. So again, the ripple effect through the economy. We're seeing a lot of big changes coming through here on so many different levels based on costs and just the recovery from the pandemic. What the shockwave that caused initially, and then the subsequent rebound is almost as extreme.
Mike, Tesla moving headquarters, where and why?
They are moving their headquarters to Austin, Texas, and Elon Musk says that's partly because, look, the tax rate in Texas is a lot lower than California. That's just business. And in Palo Alto, California, where Tesla's headquarters currently are, and their big manufacturing plant, Elon Musk says it's too expensive for people to live in Silicon Valley to afford to work at manufacturing. So they're looking at lower cost operations for their big manufacturing plants, a big one going up in Texas, in Austin, another one's being established in Germany. So, it's the altruistic efforts of electric vehicles offset by the realities of cost of production. So a lot of things in the works here for Elon Musk, and investors, they've been buying into the company, and it looks like they are on a rapid acceleration for growth going forward.
Oh, I see what you did there. Very nice.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, finally for you, cryptocurrency update.
Yep. Yeah, your daily Bitcoin update, 55,600 this morning, up $1,400. Bitcoin's been on a roll. Their cryptos have been looking at what's going on with the U.S. debt situation, the global economy, inflation, central banks, you name it. Investors have been pumping up those cryptocurrencies big time.
Big time. Okay, Mike, before you go, we typically don't do this in this portion, but I got you a little present for Thanksgiving. Are you ready?
Oh, nice. What's that?
Okay,
yes, go ahead.
Roll the music. You know the music. Yeah, that one. Okay. Ta-da!
Wow.
Ta-da! You like your present?
Happy Thanksgiving, Mike Eppel.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Two questions, Mike. One, have you seen the Nikkei index? crazy.
It's huge. Yes.
It's doing stuff.
Yes, follow that.
Secondly, you know whose stock is rising? Our men's national soccer team, friend, after going down to Mexico last night and getting a draw. Details straight ahead. He's Mike Eppel giving you the business.
Happy
Bye,
Thanksgiving.
Mike. Happy Thanksgiving.